Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by prepping only what's essential: a melamine foam sponge, water, and a towel. Wet the sponge until saturated, then squeeze out excess. You want damp, not dripping. Once done, pick a discreet test spot and press gently to check for surface damage. Make sure the finish holds up. Now, position the sponge at a shallow angle and apply light pressure to begin. This first step combines readiness with a conservative touch so you don't damage the surface. You continue by using controlled, even strokes across the stain. Do not press so hard you grind into the finish. The melamine foam works like very fine sandpaper at a microscopic level, breaking up grime without solvents, so you rely on mechanical action rather than chemicals. Once the surface looks cleaner, rinse the sponge and repeat with a fresh face if needed. Make sure to replace or tear away a fatigued surface, so the sponge stays. You finish by rinsing the cleaned area and the sponge, then pat the surface dry to inspect results. Water can hide scratches until dry. Store the sponge in a dry place so it lasts longer. If you see dulling, whitening, or finish loss, stop immediately. That's the main troubleshooting clue. In that case, make sure to switch to gentler methods, use less pressure, or consult a professional for sensitive finishes. Prevention is the best fix if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.